welcome back to Educational Epiphanies with Amy. In the last episode, we explored the fascinating world of semiconductors and their incredible advancement. Today, we continue our journey with Edward, a pseudonym, as he sheds light on the intricate dance that is the semiconductor supply chain. Remember, in our business communication class, Edward aimed to refine his explanation of the chip shortage with clear, professional terminology. However, the conversation turned into a rich learning experience for both of us. Picking up where we left off, Edward emphasized the concept of specialized division of labor within the semiconductor industry. He used the Advanced Semiconductor Engineering ASE group as an example. They specialize in the crucial steps of assembling and testing the chips, ensuring their functionality. Further down the supply chain, we have companies like Foxconn and Wistron. These giants operate in the realm of original equipment manufacturing, OEM. They take the finished chips produced by companies like TSMC and integrate them into various electronic products and servers, bringing the technology to life for everyday use. Edward highlighted that this specialization is a key driver of excellence in the industry. Each company can focus their resources on mastering their specific role, leading to superior performance and efficiency. Finally, Edward reiterated the vast array of industries that rely on these tiny chips. From the development of artificial intelligence and high-performance computers to medical devices, automobiles, mobile phones, and the very infrastructure of the internet, semiconductors are truly the invisible engines driving our modern world. Edward and I are both excited about the relentless advancement in microchip technology, and of course, the convenience and capabilities it brings to humanity. This episode has shed light on the complex yet beautifully coordinated dance of the semiconductor supply chain. A big thank you to Edward for sharing his expertise and helping us appreciate the intricate world behind these essential components. Join us next time for a future episode of Educational Epiphanies. Bye for now.